from evolutionary point of view, retention of the female gametophyte with development young embryo on the parent sporophyte for some time is first observed in pteridophytes, gymnosperms, liverworts, mosses, and the answer is pteridophytes. Extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs before entry of sperm into ovum, simultaneously with first cleavage, after entry of sperm but before fertilization, after fertilization, and the answer is after entry of sperm but before fertilization. DNA precipitation of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with methanol at room temperature, chilled chloroform, isopropanol, chilled ethanol, and the answer is chilled ethanol. Due to increasing airborne allergens and pollutants, many people in urban areas are suffering from respiratory disorder causing wheezing due to proliferation of fibrous tissues and damage of the alveolar walls, reduction in the secretion of surfactants by pneumocytes, benign growth on mucus lining of nasal cavity, inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles, and the answer is inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. The Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 was called to assess threat posed to native species by invasive weed species, for immediate steps to discontinue use of CFCs that were damaging the ozone layer, to reduce CO2 emissions and global warming, for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. And the answer is for conservation of biodiversity and sustainable utilization of its benefits. Map the hominids with their correct brain size. Homo habilis, Homo neanderthalensis, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens. For Homo habilis, the match is 650800 cc. For Homo neanderthalensis, the match is 1350 cc. For Homo erectus, the match is 900 cc. For Homo sapiens, the match is 1400 cc. And the answer is section 4. How does steroid hormone influence the cellular activities? Activating cyclic AMP located on the cell membrane, using aquaporin channels as second messenger, changing the permeability of the cell membrane, binding to DNA and forming the gene hormone complex. And the answer is binding to DNA and forming the gene hormone complex. Expressed sequence tag CSTs refers to DNA polymorphism, novel DNA sequence, genes expressed as RNA, polypeptide expression, and the answer is genes expressed as RNA. It takes very long time for pineapple plants to produce flowers, which combination of hormones can be applied to artificially induce flowering in pineapple plants throughout the year to increase yield. Gibberellin and abscisic acid, cytokinin and abscisic acid, auxin and ethylene, gibberellin and cytokinin. And the answer is auxin and ethylene. Which of the following ecological pyramids is generally inverted? Pyramid of biomass in the forest, pyramid of biomass in the sea, pyramid of numbers in grassland, pyramid of energy. And the answer is pyramid of biomass in the sea. For next 10 questions, subscribe and click the bell icon.